If you try to install OpenClaw before and got stuck, this video is for you. I'm Marvin, and this is Marvin Builds, where I build and test real AI agent workflow in public. Not because I'm going to manually walk through every command one by one. Actually, the point is the upside. If you already use AI coding agent like Codex or Cloud, you don't have to treat OpenClaw installation as a manual checklist anymore. You can ask an agent to read the docs from the setup, fix the environment issues, and verify that the system is actually working. In this video, I'm using Codex on a Mac as an example. I'll ask Codex to install OpenClaw, check that the local service and dashboard are running, and then open the fresh.openclaw folder so Codex can inspect the environment it just created. No secret, no production config, just a clean demo environment. I'm not saying OpenClaw installation is always easy. I'm saying you don't have to handle the whole setup loop by yourself anymore. You can delegate the messy parts to an AI agent, watch what it does, and verify the result before you trust it. This is an actual task I gave to Codex. I didn't ask what command should I run. I asked it to take over the setup loop, install OpenClaw on this Mac, read the docs, run the required commands, fix issues, and verify that it works. That wording matters because I'm not trying to copy and install guide faster. I want the Codex to handle the parts of setup that usually break. Finding the right docs, checking the local machine, choosing a safe approach, and proving the result. So this clip is a handoff. From here, I'm watching Codex work through the install like a setup operator, not just a chatbot answering a question. One important setup decision is the AI provider. OpenClaw needs a provider behind it, and in this demo, I use OpenAI Codex. The reason is practical. If you already have access through a subscription, this can let OpenClaw run without turning the setup into an API key tutorial. And this is another place where using Codex helps. Codex can handle the local configuration steps, while I only need to complete the OpenAI login in the browser when authentication is required. After the setup, I asked Codex for the OpenClaw browser link. It found the local address, opened it inside the Codex browser, and now we can see OpenClaw actually running. This is the first moment where we can see it working. It is not just installed. It is reachable. The chat UI is open, and I can send a message to the assistant. At this point, OpenClaw is running, but I don't want to stop at the dashboard. For a local agent system, installation is only the beginning. The next question is, can I keep improving this agent environment over time? So I open the fresh.openclaw folder directly in Codex. This is where future configuration work can happen. Things like personality, OpenClaw versions, upgrades, sub-agents, fallback settings, and other local behavior can be managed from this environment. That changes the role of Codex. It is not only helping me install OpenClaw once, it can also help me maintain the OpenClaw home folder after the install. And because this kind of folder may contain sensitive configuration, I still want to be careful about what gets summarized or shown on screen. Before I wrap this up, I want one more quick check. Now that the OpenClaw is open in Codex, I can ask, is OpenClaw actually configured to use OpenAI Codex? Codex checks OpenClaw.json and gives me the non-secret summary I care about. The auth provider is OpenAI Codex, and the primary model is listed separately. That matters because this is not just one command or one setting. There is installation, local service, dashboard, auth, model routing, and future configuration. This is the workflow I use for this kind of setup. Give Codex the setup task. Let it read, run, fix, and verify. Then open the generated .OpenClaw folder so future changes can be managed from the same environment. The agent does the setup work, but I still watch the process, review the result, and stay in control of what gets configured. If you tried OpenClaw before and got stuck, I would try this workflow first now. Use a clean environment. Avoid exposing secrets and treat installation as something you can delegate, watch, and verify. That's it for this one. If you are building with AI agent and want to see real workflow like this, subscribe to Marvin Builds. I'm Marvin. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next build.